Hello viewers, welcome to you all, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram could not refresh feed. So how can you solve it or how can you fix it? So if you using Instagram apps but you cannot find any refresh feed, or if you refresh your Instagram you cannot find any feed, so what should you do? In this tutorial I'm gonna show you. So first of all you need to go your phone settings and then go to SIM card option, and you need to check out your SIM is working perfectly or not, or you need, if you using Wi-Fi, make sure your Wi-Fi connection is good or not good. So that's your phone data or Wi-Fi is okay, then first step is complete. Then you need to go your Google Play Store, and after go to your Google Play Store, then search for Instagram application. Then if you find your Instagram application is not updated, so make sure your Instagram is updated. After that you need to let's back, and now you need to open your phone settings option. So here you can see this is my phone settings, so just open it, and now you need to find out apps or apps management option. Here you can see apps, so just open it, and now go to manage apps option. Here you can see, so just open it, and after that you need to find out Instagram application here, and then tap on this clear data on the bottom right corner, and after that you need to clear cache everything, and after that you can open your Instagram application. And if you open your Instagram application, I hope your Instagram could find refresh feed and it's totally worked now. So hope this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.